Neutral Posture's Mid-Back, NPS 5000 series, or High-Back 6000 and 8000 series are high-performance ergonomic chairs with a wide variety of standard functions that ensure proper fit, support, and comfort. This brief video explains how you will make each adjustment. The first adjustment to make is seat height, controlled by the middle right side lever. Lift the lever while there's no weight in the chair to increase height. To lower seat height, lift the same lever while you're seated. The pneumatic cylinder delivers cushion support and will provide a lifetime of service. Adjust seat depth using the rear lever on the left side of your chair. While seated, with your back against the backrest, lift the lever to disengage the lock and slide the seat forward or rearward to your choice. Your chair has a 2-inch range of seat depth, and this is generally a one-time adjustment. To position backrest height, mid-back or high-back, lift on the back while seated. There are 8 click stops in a 4-inch range. Lift slowly, checking each click stop to see if you've found your ideal lumbar support. If the back is too high, just lift it to the top and then lower it gently to the starting lowest position and lift again. Adjust lumbar firmness with a built-in lumbar pillow. To inflate, lift slowly and repeatedly on the lever extending from the lower right side of the backrest. Reduce firmness by holding the lever down. You'll hear a small hissing sound as it deflates. 6000 series models feature a lumbar pump with a rubber bulb on the backrest outer shell. Inflate the lumbar pillow by repeatedly pressing the bulb. You may be able to pump the bulb while seated, but it's usually easier to get behind the chair to inflate the pillow. You can deflate the pillow by depressing the button at the bottom of the bulb. Neutral Posture's new armrests adjust 5 ways and all from a seated position. For armrest height, grasp the arm post and squeeze the outer button to adjust. There are 10 height settings in a 4-inch range. You will almost always want both arms at the same height, but you are free to select differing heights if you like. Armrest post width is easily adjusted from a seated position. Locate the lever at the bottom of the arm post and push it down to unlock. Next, slide the arm to your chosen width, and then lift the lever to lock it. There's a 2-inch width range on each arm. Arm pad angle is adjusted with a trigger located on the narrow end of the arm pad. Squeeze the trigger upward and release the pad angle. There are 24 positive lock positions in the 360-degree range of motion, and the offset design allows you to position either a short end forward or a long end forward for the support that you want. For perfectly positioned arm support, the arm pads on your Neutral Posture Series chair adjust in 4 directions. Grasp the pad with your thumb or forefingers on the button located on the edge of the long side. With that button depressed, you can move the pad inward, outward, forward, or rearward. Release the button to lock the position. Your Neutral Posture chair may feature the older 360-degree arm with 3 adjustments. For arm height, grasp the arm post and squeeze the outer button there to adjust. There are 7 height settings in a 4-inch range. You will almost always want the arms at the same height, but you're free to select differing heights if you like. Vary arm pad angle by lifting the pad, then rotate to your choice of 22 positive lock angles. Then settle the arm into its lock position. The 360-degree range lets you choose from a short end forward or a long end forward for the support that you want. Arm width adjusts from under the seat where the arms are attached. Get out of the chair and locate the rubber knob, and then loosen but don't remove the knob. Slide the arm post in or out as desired for width, then retighten the knob to secure that setting. This is almost always a one-time adjustment. Seat tilt is adjusted from a seated position. First, make sure your feet are firmly on the floor and then lean right and push down on the forwardmost lever to release the seat from its locked position. If you desire a rocking mode, push the lever fully down so that it stays down. Lift the lever again to lock the seat tilt. Remember, you'll gain best support when the seat tilt is locked. Your chair can be set to tilt forward past horizontal, or forward tilt stop can be locked out. The control is on the forward left side. First, before adjusting for forward tilt stop, recline the seat just slightly so that it's not fully forward. Then you'll be able to turn the feather on the rod vertically to allow forward tilt, or horizontally to lock out forward tilt. Backrest angle is controlled by the rear right side lever. While seated upright, not reclining, lift the back angle lever and position the backrest as you choose. Then release the lever to lock it in. This lever will not lock in a free float mode. Set seat tilt tension with the large knob located under the front of the seat. Before you get out of the chair to access the knob, first make sure the seat tilt is adjusted fully forward, not reclined. To adjust seat tilt tension, get out of the chair and either tighten or loosen resistance with the tilt tension knob. Neutral Posture's new headrest adjusts 3 ways from a seated position. Height adjusts 2 ways. 3 inches at the post by lifting the headrest assembly, as well as by moving the pillow up and down on the dual axes. Depth adjust fore and aft by moving the headrest pillow through its range on the 2-inch axes. Angle adjust in the same manner. If the headrest seems to move so easily that it won't hold its position, you can tighten the resistance by turning the end cap on the pivoting axis.